Have you ever wondered what our planet will look like in 1,000 years? Let's take a moment to ponder on that. Imagine a world shaped by the decisions we make today, a world where the boundaries of technology, society, and the environment are pushed beyond our current comprehension. Picture the Earth, 1,000 years older, 1,000 years wiser. It's a fascinating thought, isn't it? So journey with us as we explore the possibilities the next millennium holds. The future of our planet is largely dependent on how we tackle one of the biggest challenges we face today: climate change. In the next 1,000 years, climate change could dramatically reshape our world. As the planet warms up, we're likely to see sea levels rise, which could cause coastal cities to become submerged. Imagine some of the world's most iconic cities, like Sydney, New York, and Venice, being claimed by the sea. But it's not just our cities at risk. Changing weather patterns could lead to more frequent and severe droughts, floods, and storms. This could cause crop failures and water shortages, making it harder for us to feed our growing population. Climate change also threatens the world's wildlife. As habitats change or disappear, many species may struggle to survive. Polar bears, for instance, are already feeling the heat as the Arctic ice they depend on melts away. But it's not all doom and gloom. We have the power to change the course of our planet's future. By reducing our carbon emissions, we can slow down global warming. This could involve switching to renewable energy sources like wind and solar power, and developing new technologies to capture and store carbon dioxide. We can also adapt to the changes that are already happening. For instance, we could build seawalls to protect coastal cities, or develop drought-resistant crops to ensure we can still feed our population. And let's not forget about the role of nature in fighting climate change. Forests, for example, absorb vast amounts of carbon dioxide, helping to cool the planet. By protecting and restoring forests, we can harness nature's power to combat climate change. The future of our planet is in our hands. Climate change is a massive challenge, but it's one that we can overcome if we act now. By working together, we can ensure that our planet remains a thriving, vibrant place for generations to come. Without proper action, our planet could look drastically different. If history is any indicator, the next 1,000 years will bring unimaginable technological advancements. Let's start by considering artificial intelligence. AI is already transforming our world, and as we move forward, we can expect to see even more dramatic changes. Imagine a world where AI has become so advanced that it can solve complex problems, make accurate predictions about the future, and even create art and music that rivals human creativity. Next, let's consider the future of space travel. In 1,000 years, it's entirely possible that we'll have colonized other planets, and space travel could become as common as air travel is today. We might even have the technology to travel at light speed, allowing us to explore distant galaxies and make contact with extraterrestrial life. But perhaps the most fascinating potential development is the integration of humans and machines. This might sound like science fiction, but it's already happening. We have prosthetic limbs that can be controlled by thought, and there's research underway to develop brain-computer interfaces that could allow us to control machines with our minds. In the future, we might see more advanced forms of this technology, such as the ability to upload our consciousness into a computer, effectively achieving immortality. Of course, all of these advancements will come with their own challenges. We'll need to consider ethical questions about AI, such as how to ensure that it's used for good rather than harm. We'll need to think about the environmental impact of colonizing other planets and the potential risks of human-machine integration. But these are challenges that we can meet with careful thought and planning. So, as we look to the future, we can be excited about the potential for technological advancement. There's so much we don't know about what the next 1,000 years will bring, but one thing is certain: we're in for an incredible journey. The future is bright and full of endless possibilities, thanks to the power of human innovation. As our technology advances, so does our society. The next 1,000 years are ripe with possibility, and the societal transformation we might witness could be as profound as the technological one. Imagine a world where governments operate with complete transparency, fueled by advanced technology that eradicates corruption. a world where decision-making is driven by collective intelligence, not individual whims. This could be the future of governance. Our economy, too, may undergo a fundamental shift. The concept of work might change dramatically, with automation and artificial intelligence handling most of the tasks currently performed by humans. This could lead to a society where people are free to pursue their passions, creativity, and personal development. Social norms are not immune to change either. As we become more interconnected and diverse, our understanding and acceptance of different cultures, identities, and ways of life will likely expand. We could see a society that truly celebrates diversity and fosters inclusivity. Lifestyle changes are on the horizon too. With technological advancements promoting sustainability, we could be living in harmony with nature, reducing our carbon footprint, and embracing a lifestyle that prioritizes well-being over consumption. In the far future, we might even transcend the physical, merging with technology to become a post-human society. Or perhaps we will choose a different path, one that values our human essence above all else. In 1,000 years, our society could be a beacon of equality, sustainability, and prosperity. So, what does the future hold for our planet? As we've journeyed through this exploration, we've touched on the crucial role that climate change will play in shaping the environment of our planet over the next 1,000 years. We've delved into the fascinating world of technological advancements and how they will revolutionize our lives in ways we can't even imagine yet. And we've looked at the evolution of society, the changes in our values, norms, and ways of interacting with each other and the world around us. Now, it's time for action. We have the power to influence these outcomes. Our decisions today can ensure a healthier planet and a brighter future. Let's embrace sustainable practices, support technological innovations that benefit all, and foster a society that values equality and mutual respect. The future of our planet is in our hands. Together, we can shape a world that future generations will be proud to inherit. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. Craving more? Hit subscribe and journey with us through the realm of learning. Remember, every thumbs up and every subscription fuels our passion to deliver more. Become part of our learning community today.